Welcome to Global Kids online lesson. I am Ukot Geoffrey, your basic technology teacher. Today we'll be looking at the topic drawing instruments and materials. At the end of this lesson, you should be able to identify each drawing instruments and material, state the uses of instruments and materials, and also mention cares for drawing instruments and materials. Drawing is a universal language. It is an expression of ideas with the use of lines, curves, symbols, and conventions. Since the earliest time, people have used drawing to communicate and record ideas so that information can be transferred and preserved. Drawing has developed along two different paths, with each having different purpose. We have artistic drawing, which is concerned with the expression of real ideas of cultural nature. And we also have technical drawing, which is concerned with the expression of technical ideas. An accurate and detailed technical drawing, such as the one displayed on the screen, requires the use of drawing instruments and materials. Now let's take a look at drawing instruments and materials. Drawing instruments are instruments used in technical drawing construction that do not get consumed or change shape while using them. They include the following: the drawing board, the T-square, the set squares, the protractor, the French curve, pair of compass, the divider, among others. Now take a look at the drawing board. The drawing board is rectangular in shape and it is made of wood. It carries two buttons at the back which prevent rocking. The surface of the drawing board is smooth and the drawing board is available in different sizes. The drawing board also has a working edge which the T-square slides freely on. The second instrument here is the T-square. Now take a look at the T-square. The T-square is made of plastic, wood, or metal. It consists of two different parts: the stalk, which is the head, and the blade. Another instrument we have here is the set square. The set square are available in plastic and wood. They are triangular in shape. The two types of set square we have is 30 by 60 degree set square, and we also have the 45 by 45 degree set square. Both set square have a common angle of 90 degree. Now take a look at this set square here, the one down here. You see that the smallest angle here is angle 30 degree, followed by this other angle which is angle 60 degree, and you have angle 90 degree here. On this other set square we have here, this angle here is angle 45 degree, and you also have another angle 45 degree here, and this remaining angle is angle 90. So you can see that both set square have a common angle of 90 degree. Now another instrument is the protractor. The protractor is made of plastic material marked into angles from 0 to 180 degree. You can see how it is done here, from 0 here down to 180, and you can see from 0 to 180 this way. It can be read from either from the left hand side or from the right hand side. Another drawing instrument is the French curve. The French curve are made of plastic material of different shapes and sizes. They are used to draw curved lines, as you know. And we have a pair of compass here. The compass consists of two legs, a pointed needle fitted at the lower end of the legs, while the other leg holds the pencil. A life-size compass can draw a circle up to 120 mm diameter in either clockwise or anti-clockwise direction. We have the divider here, which also have two legs with needle fitted at both ends. Now let's take a look at drawing materials. Drawing materials are consumable items used for technical drawing. The following are some drawing materials. You have the drawing paper, you have the pencil, you have the eraser, you have the sharpener, you have the masking tape or adhesive tape, as we may call it. Now let's take a look at each of these drawing materials. The drawing paper. Drawing paper is a white paper used for drawing. It is available in different varieties and sizes. The preferred sizes are A0, A1, A2, A3, and A4. You have the pencil here, which is also a drawing material. The pencils are used for preparing the drawing of an object. The quality, neatness, and accuracy of the drawing pencil depends on the quality of the pencil used. Pencils are available in different varieties. You have the 9H to 6H pencil, which are very hard pencil. You have 4H to 3H pencil, which are medium hard. You have 2H pencil, which are just medium. You have H and F pencil, which are medium soft, and you have the HB, B, 2B, which are very soft pencil. You also have the sharpener, the eraser, which are also drawing instruments. Now the eraser are soft and colorless, and they are used for erasing unnecessary lines in a drawing. Frequent use of eraser should be avoided and be used carefully so that you don't damage your drawing paper. Now let's look at the uses of drawing instruments and materials. The drawing board. This is used for laying of drawing papers, and also useful when the T-square is used to prepare a drawing. You also have the T-square. This is used to draw horizontal line and parallel lines. It is also used to set the drawing paper to the drawing board. You have the set squares. It is used to draw angles of 30, 45, 60, and 90 degrees. Remember, I've shown you all the angles in the previous screen that you've seen, and can be used in combination with the T-square to draw either perpendicular line or inclined lines. Can use to draw vertical lines also. Now the French curve is used to draw irregular curves and circular arcs. We have the pair of compass. It is used to draw circles, semicircles, and arc. We have the protractor. This is used to draw angles and measuring angles in degrees. The drawing paper is used for drawing and sketching. The pencil, you have the 2H here, which is used for construction lines. H pencil is used for lettering and thickening of visible lines. The HB pencil is good for freehand lettering or sketching. Now you have the eraser here. This material is used to remove mistake in a drawing. You have the pencil sharpener too, which is a material used to sharpen all pencils to a conical point shape. Now let's take a look at cares for drawing instruments and materials. Now you know that these instruments are precision instruments, and you must take good care of them, because if you damage maybe the edge of the ruler, you cannot be able to use it effectively again. Now these are some of the cares that you have to give to your drawing instruments and materials. First of all, always clean and keep them in a dry place. Never sharpen your pencil on your drawing board or drawing paper. When you are done working with your instrument and materials, ensure you keep them on their packs. The T-square should not be used as staff or sword to play. Drawing paper should be kept in a flat file or jacket. Now you have assignment. The assignment is, the first one is, what is the difference between drawing instruments and materials? Now the second one state the use of drawing instruments and materials. And you have those drawing instruments and materials you are asked to state there. Now you have a number on the screen there, my number. Send the answers to that number. Send the answers to that number. If you have any question, you can also forward it to that number through WhatsApp too. Thank you very much. Until I come your way again next time, stay safe and remain blessed.